Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you cottage cheese casserole recipe. It's easy to make and doesn't take many ingredients. This casserole is great for breakfast or lunch. So let's get started. Add in a bowl 1 pound of cottage cheese room temperature, 3 eggs room temperature, half cup of white granulated sugar, quarter cup of milk, half cup of all-purpose flour, and teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Blend all ingredients together until your mixture is nice and smooth. By the way, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. I use 8-inch baking dish greased and dusted with semolina. Put the mixture into the baking dish. Add half cup of berry on top. You can use any berry of choice. I use frozen strawberry. Bake in a preheated oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes or until the thick comes out clean from the center. Our casserole is ready. Let it cool in the mold for about 10 or more minutes. This casserole can be served warm or chilled. Now I show you what it's like inside. Very tender, soft and full of vanilla and strawberry flavor. Your family loves this casserole. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.